Hi, today's shopping show will start with this art eraser. It is often recommended for purchase in drawing textbooks. I've only used it a couple of times so far and the result was pleasing. Next comes what I have been dreaming about for so long, a real nib, like a professional. I was looking for a holder made specifically of wood. I am very happy with the purchase and the feeling of the wood texture is simply divine. The kit included a wooden holder and 9 different attachments. I also bought this basket to store the whole set in it. And of course the ink I took, not very expensive, but not the cheapest either, just right for learning. Let's use the new things. As an example, we will use this exercise on drawing a pony. After the sketch, I take my thin tip and make a couple of strokes, quite exciting. The first strokes are quite exciting, but surprisingly it turned out to be easier than I thought. I was amazed by the line control. It became much easier to draw small details. I can't express in words how happy I am. If you were thinking about buying this tool, you can safely do so because the result is amazing. And here is the result. I also decided to try the other attachments. Each of them is simply wonderful.